What? Hello guys, and welcome to the GCE Math panel online. In this particular question, we are looking at June 2018, paper 2, question 9, pure math statistics and pure math mechanics. Guys, we implore your indulgence to subscribe to this channel because most of our videos on YouTube cannot be seen by those who have not subscribed. If you want to find out, ask your friends. Secondly, most of our videos are not on YouTube. So to have a complete collection of this video from questions 1 to 8 and question 10, please click on the link in the description below this video, or click on the link somewhere around the screen on this video, and you will take it to the page where you have the complete correction. From that page, you can equally have the correction of the past years and for years ahead of this 2018, not just in mathematics, but in other subjects. We are therefore begging on you to subscribe to this channel, to share this content to friends, and equally to make sure that you leave your comments, because it's from this comments and from what you share that we will know if, guys, this your work is good and we should go ahead or we should stop what we are doing. So please subscribe, click on the notifications, leave your comments, and share the videos, especially on WhatsApp and on Facebook. Let's tackle this first question. Show that the equation x in x plus x minus 3 has a root in the interval 1 and 2. So an equation or a function has a root in the interval a and b if f of a is at times f of b is a negative number, okay? Or if the signs of f of a and f of b alternate. So we look for f of 1, and f of 1 is given us negative 2, f of 2 is 0.4, 1 is positive and 1 is negative, right? So from here, we know that there is a root in between this interval, somewhere that's between this interval, because f of 1 times f of 2 is a negative number. Now, given that x equals 3 on 2 is a first approximation of the root, use one iteration of the Newton-Raphson procedure to obtain a second approximate solution of this equation. So our x0 here has been given, okay? X0 is the first approximation of the root, while x1 is the second approximation. Now, for us to find the first approximation, rather the second approximation, we need to look for f of x0, that is f of 1.5, and that gives us minus 0.8918. I like to work with 4 decimal places. And f prime of x0, f prime of x, first of all, x into 1 over x plus ln x plus 1. So that gives us 2 plus ln x when we differentiate, right? Now, f prime of 1.5 will give us 2 plus ln 1.5, which is 2.4055. So at this point now, the formula for the second approximation of this root is given by x1 equals x0 minus f of x0, all that on f prime of x0. So this gives us 1.5 minus 0.8918 on 2.4055. And this will be equal to 1.87. Okay, so this is an approximation of this root. Now, sub 2, you can have more of all of these materials from the website www.gcmathspanels.blogspot.com, where you equally have past papers in all subjects. I mean all subjects, O level and A level, and you have video tutorials as well as short lessons in pictures and PDF in preparation for GCE. You have a lot of tutorials and a lot of stuff there. Please just visit the website. It's written on the screen below, and you will not regret it. To join our WhatsApp groups, go to that same website and click on join. You'll see the different WhatsApp groups where you can join, as our preparations to GCE always start at the end of August every year. This particular year, we're going to have preparatory classes for concours, orientation on universities, and holiday classes. All of these things, most of them are free. So just check the information from our website or send a message on that WhatsApp link for more inquiries. So let's look at the second part of the equation. A class is made up of 5 boys and 8 girls. Find the number of ways in which a mixed delegation of 4 students can be chosen from the class if it must include at least 2 boys. Okay, so this class has 5 boys and there are also 8 girls. They want to form a delegation of 4 people, a mixed delegation of 4 people. So that it must include at least 2 boys. So you can have 2 boys, 3 boys, or all of them 4 boys, right? All right, so if you have 2 boys, and then you will have the remaining will be 2 girls. If you have 3 boys, we'll have 1 girl, or you can have just boys, all of them 4 boys. Okay. So because here they said mixed, but they have not emphasized if all should be that, but they have said at least. So that's the statement you're basing on, at least. So the at least here means 2 or more. So you can have more boys up to 4. So in that case, for 2 boys, we are selecting 2 boys from 5 and 2 girls from 8. Or we select 3 boys from 5 and 1 girl from 8. Or we select 4 boys from 5 and no girl. So this gives us 5 factorial on 2 factorial, 3 factorial times 8 factorial on 2 factorial, 6 factorial, plus 5 factorial on 3 factorial, 2 factorial times 8 factorial on 1 factorial, 7 factorial, plus 5 factorial on 4 factorial, 1 factorial times 8 factorial on 0 factorial, 8 factorial. So this will cancel out. 5 factorial on 2 times 3 factorial is 10. Okay. And 8 factorial on 2 times 6 factorial is 28. So plus 10 times 8 plus 5 times 1, and that gives us 365 ways. So however, if the question emphasized that there must be a girl, then this last part like this will not be there. And we will have just 360 ways, okay? So if they emphasize that the girl must be there, then this last part like this, that is 5 combination 4 times 8 combination 0 will not be there. And we will be left with just 360 ways. So take note of that. Now, sub 3, 2 statements P and Q are as follows. P, the workers will go on strike. Q, there will be no salary. Right? In ordinary English, P implies Q. Negation of Q implies negation of P. And P or that symbol. So P implies Q. How do we say this? So if there will be no salary, the workers will go on strike. If there will be no salary, the workers will go on strike. Okay. So but here, if you look at it very well, they have said P implies Q. So let's look at the statements again. So P implies Q. Start with P, the workers will go on strike. So we have to start with the workers will go on strike. Now the B part, we have the negation of a statement implies the negation of another. So if there will be no if there will be salary, that's negation of P, of Q rather, if there will be salary, then the workers will not go on strike. And the last one, the workers will not go on strike and there will be no salary. Okay. The workers will not go on strike and there will be no salary. Guys, please watch question 10 by following the link below, as well as the other questions. Most of our videos are not on YouTube, so to have a complete solution to this video, please just click on the link below in the description, and it will take you to the website where you have the complete solutions. If you want to join our WhatsApp preparation groups, which are these hot are, just go to this link, www.gcmathspanner.blogspot.com, and you will see a link there called Join Now. Click on that link and you join one of our WhatsApp groups for the different subjects so that we can completely prepare for the GCE. May God bless you as we prepare for the GCE, and don't forget to subscribe, to share our videos, and to leave your comments. See you on the other side on question 9. Bye-bye.